Hello world, Akash here. So today I am here to make your morning more exciting with French toast. So for that we need banana, we need strawberries, we need eggs. I'm using brioche bread here, but you can use your choice of bread and it can be gluten-free bread as well. I'm using butter as a source of fat, cinnamon powder and vanilla essence. So let's start with cracking the egg first. So let's do it. So I'm gonna add 3 eggs here. So I've got 2. So I had already cracked eggs in a bowl. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon powder. So let me tell you something. Cinnamon powder is very strong and vibrant in nature. So always be careful with the quantity. So I'm gonna add a little. Yeah, that must be enough. So I'm gonna add a dash of vanilla essence in my egg batter. So again, vanilla essence is very nice and good in smell, but it's very strong. So again, we have to be very careful while adding vanilla essence. Yeah, that much must be enough for my whole batter. So as of now, I had added eggs, I had added cinnamon powder, I had added vanilla essence. Now it's time to whisk my batter. So I'm gonna give a nice whisk so that all 3 ingredients will mix gradually. In other recipes, many people prefer to add milk or cream, but I prefer to keep it a little bit more simple. So my mixture is done. I'm going to add my bread and soak in this batter. Like this, nicely, yes. So I've got 3 slices. I will soak them off here. So as I had applied the mixture and covered the whole bread. So I'm going to slice the banana in half and pan seal with butter. Yep. So that must be fine. So now I'm going to add a spoon of butter to seal my bread and banana. So apply the butter everywhere in a pan. So I'm going to add bananas in the pan. We can seal them at the same time and we can save some time. It's done or not, so I'm going to turn them off. Oh, it's nice and buttery and I can see the nice golden brown color. It smells amazing. I'm getting the nice caramelized smell of the butter and the bread, and I'm getting a little bit of nice smell of the bananas coming up. Now look at the color of the bananas. I'm gonna turn it. Yes, perfect. I didn't add any sugar, but I can see it's nicely caramelized. Well, my French toast is ready and I'm going to get it now. So I like my breakfast with a side of yogurt, so I'm gonna add with my French toast as well. And so the color looks amazing. I'm gonna put the bananas on the top of the bread. So when you're gonna have a slice, you're gonna get all together at the same fork. I will cut some fresh nice strawberries for a garnish. Yeah, it looks amazing, smelling nice. So all done. Now I'm going to add a little bit of icing sugar. Yeah, that's it. It looks good, it smells amazing. Why to wait? Let's eat. Mmm. So good, believe me. You're gonna try this recipe? It's awesome. After watching this video, now you know how to make the best French toast at home and kickstart your beautiful day. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming recipes.